Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. In this video we will study what is the function of respiratory system and what is the basic difference between respiration and breathing. So this is second organ system, which is a part of your chapter number 6, life processes. As the word system is there, that means respiratory system is an example of an organ system that will be made up of some organs, and organs are made up of tissues and tissues are made up of cells. Right? So specific cells will be there in the body which will be forming respiratory, which will be named as respiratory cells. All cells will be similar in structure and function. They will be uniting together to form the respiratory tissue. Respiratory tissue will be organized together to form the organ. Here, in the case of respiratory system, lungs and blood vessels will be the part of the organs. And as a result of their interaction, a complete organ system called respiratory system will be formed. Now, as I talked about in the digestive system, that digestive system work is to convert, DS means digestive system, so its work is to convert the polymers to monomers. What is the example of polymer? Carbohydrate is the example of the polymer, and it gets converted to glucose with the help of digestive system. Now, respiratory system is a one that deals with the energy production, and energy currency in our body, it is ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate. So respiratory system, actually it starts its work from glucose. Means the reaction of respiration starts with glucose and ends up in the energy production, which is in the form of ATP. So when we talk about respiration, it talks about energy production. And this is one of the important question of respiration, that what is the substrate for respiration? This is one of the important question, which is a one marker question, that what is the substrate required for respiration? Answer to this question is the substrate is glucose, because always respiration starts with glucose and it generally produces energy in the form of ATP. Now ATP could be more or it could be less depending upon what type of respiration it is happening. It could be anaerobic or it could be aerobic. We will talk about that also a bit later. Okay, first of all, we will see what is the difference between respiration and what is breathing. Right? When we only talk about taking in O2 or oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide or CO2. That means when we only talk about exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, but we don't talk about energy production, that means we are talking about breathing. But when we talk about taking in of oxygen and giving out of CO2, and we also talk about ATP production, that means we are talking about respiration. So if a difference comes, then you can write all these points which we have discussed. Respiration is a phenomenon that involves taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide, and it also deals with ATP production. But breathing is just the exchange of gases, taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. We don't talk about ATP production in this case. So in this video, we have learned that what is respiratory system doing in our body. It basically deals with producing energy and transporting oxygen to each cell of the body. Oxygen will be given. Why is it given? It is given for ATP production only. I hope this was understood by everyone. Now the question for this video is, where are lungs located in our body, and which of the lung is smaller and why? So you need to name the region of the body where we have lungs. Along with that, as you know that we have two lungs, you need to name which lung is smaller and why is it smaller. You need to give your answers in the comment section of this video. A feedback will reach out to you and definitely your name will be taken in the upcoming videos. As you might have seen in the previous videos, whosoever has been participated, all are continuously been receiving the feedback. I hope this channel is helping you out in understanding chapter number 6. If you have liked the video, please do give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And I hope by now you have definitely subscribed. If not, please do consider subscribing. See you in next video where we will be talking about one of the important concept of respiration. Thank you.